now you can transfer files from an Android device to Oppo A1K. First of all, open Play Store on both smartphones, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Now from this screen here, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. We have to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to just send on an Android and receive on Oppo. Following that, tap on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long while though, so I will go with only this one file. Choose send and tap on got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can click on this scanning icon over here and scan QR code. Then you need to just allow on Oppo and point your device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and tap on receive. Then wait a bit. And as you can see, my song was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!